Listen, I have something a little different for you guys than God's belief. I got something a little bit different for you guys, okay? Don't say a no word, Soldier Boy.
Soldier Boy said no word.
So this is gonna be a little stupid, but like I saw this commercial on TV the other day, and I was like, "What the fuck is this?" And I want to just watch this commercial, and it's just so preposterous to me. We're gonna watch it. It was funny to me. I'm a boomer, okay?
So what's going on?
I'm a talking dog.
Right. So right off the bat, okay. Let's hold on. Let's just restart this for context. Very important political stuff.
So what's going on?
I'm a talking dog.
The other issue?
Why is that an issue that he's a talking fucking dog? Why is that a problem? Hey, what's the issue? My dog talks. Why is that a problem? And that dog is at least like not like, I don't know, 6 years old. And now it's a problem? That doesn't make any sense, okay? It doesn't make any sense. It just got me. I'm like, why is that a problem? And why is nobody fucking shocked if that was a problem? Like, I don't get it. The thing is like when the dog expresses that he can talk and it's a problem, does that mean that he has like critical thought and like he's just questioning his position in the world? He's like, I'm a talking dog, but why are my other brothers and sisters subjugated by human beings when I have the same ability of complex critical thought as you do? Maybe I'm thinking too much.
Oh, I'm scratching like crazy.
You've got some allergic itch with skin inflammation. Apoquel can work on that itch in as little as 4 hours, whether it's a new or chronic problem. And Apoquel's treated over 7 million dogs.
Nice. And the talking dog thing?
Is it bothering you?
No, itching like a dog is bothering me.
I don't understand the talking dog thing.
Until dogs can speak for themselves, you have to. When allergic itch is a problem, ask for Apoquel.
This is also weird. This is fucking
Apoquel
Tinder
is
for dogs.
Control of it.
This guy's doing Tinder for dogs. So now we've established we live in a world where there must be, I don't know. Well, first of all, the app is called Apoquel. So this app that makes it so you don't itch was made by the fucking this. Okay, listen. This medicine that makes you not itch made an app for dogs to have sex with each other. Okay, so now we live in a world where dogs are sentient, but they're still subjugated by humans, right? But they also have a Tinder-like app, which is generally for people to engage in casual sex. But they sell itching medication, which means it's for STDs. Right? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Basically, herpes medication made Tinder in this universe. Okay?
It's associated with allergic dermatitis.
It's dog slavery.
And the control of atopic dermatitis in dogs. Do not use Apoquel in dogs less than 12 months old.
And the dog was sitting at the table.
And the control of
we're just look. It's socially acceptable, which means I guess that we're slowly moving towards equality of dogs and their ability to critically think when it comes to being treated the same as humans. But you don't see any of these other people with their dogs at the table, right? Maybe that's a dog back there. I don't know. It's all blurry. But you see where we're going here.
Dermatitis in dogs.
Don't tell me I'm thinking too hard about this, okay? Listen, this is the world you stepped into when you decided to listen to Papa Gut.
Do not use Apoquel in dogs less than 12 months old or those with serious infections. Apoquel may increase...
Now it comes to this idea that, do you think the two of them are sleeping together? You never know.
The chance of developing serious infections.
You just winked. You saw that?
Or those with serious infections. Apoquel may increase the chance of developing serious...
Look at that. He winked at her. I was right. He might be trying to get at her. But she knows that he has a dog STD, which is because he needed Apoquel. Am I wrong? Am I wrong, guys?
Infections and may cause existing parasitic skin infestations or pre-existing.
Now here's something that you guys listen. I didn't notice it till I watched it again. Right? Look at this. This is presumably the queen, and this is the rook. Now, how did they get positioned right next to each other? Very, very fishy. Unless she made a move to take out a pawn or some other piece here. Because it's his turn, and then he nays her piece. But why wouldn't she expect that move? Of course she would expect that move from him. But then it looks like this bishop might be positioned to take that queen. So it's like, what the hell's going on? Right? This is a really weird game of chess here, guys. All right?
Do not use in breeding, pregnant, or
Women are not smart.
Lactating dogs. Most common side effects are vomiting and diarrhea.
Feeling better?
I'm speechless. Thanks for the Apoquel.
Aw, that's what friends are for.
See? Look, she's like, that's what friends are for. And then he goes to kiss her on the lips. He goes, look at this.
I'm speechless.
Listen.
Thanks for the Apoquel.
Aw,
Okay? Thanks for the Apoquel. She's like, oh,
that's what
friends are for. And then he goes to kiss her. That's dog kisses or licks. He's secretly in love with her. And she just brushes it off as dog behavior, despite the fact that he doesn't behave like a typical dog.
Ask your veterinarian for Apoquel. Next to you, Apoquel is a dog's best friend.
How do you like that? How do you like that? What did you guys think of that? Huh? Did you guys like that? Thank you so much, guys, to all my Patreons, and a special shout out to my Papa XL Patreons. Without all you guys, I would just be some fat dude screaming into a microphone. So thank you so much, guys. Mwah. I love you all.
I want Papa Gut to pee on my face, but just as a friend. There's nothing weird about that. I want him to pee on my face.